Are you someone who wants to make a career as a business analyst? Then let me tell you that business analyst career is one of the most promising careers in the IT industry. Business analysts not only play an important role in every project, but they also have multiple opportunities to grow. For example, they can get into product ownership, they can get into project management and even product management. So the question is, how can you become a business analyst? And does non-IT background become a barrier in your transition? Over the last 10 years, Techcanvass and myself have seen many learners become business analysts from IT as well as non-IT backgrounds. In fact, the majority have been from non-IT backgrounds. The transition to a business analyst role is challenging. But who said that good things come cheap? However, a systematic approach can help you transition to a business analyst role in 10 to 12 weeks. This is based on our experience in this field. Our ECBA Certification Training program has been designed to do exactly that. It has all the elements which can help you transition to this role in approximately 10 to 12 weeks. If you'd like to know more about the program and even talk to me or an expert, do write to us at this email ID.